Hi, everybody. My name is Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. And today I'm doing another episode of a video series that I'd like to call Case or No Case. So in these videos, what I do is I give you a short description of a case and then discuss whether it is a medical malpractice case or it's not. So today's facts are kind of sad. In this case, suppose we had a woman that goes in for elective surgery and she gets to the hospital and she had a meal within 12 hours of being operated on. Now, this is elective surgery, which means it's not an emergency. It can really be done at any time. And in the course of the preoperative questions, the anesthesiologist, that's the doctor who gives the anesthesia to knock the patient out for the surgery, forgets to ask her whether she ate or not. And now she's taken in for the surgery, and the anesthesiologist puts a tube down her throat in order to give her the proper anesthesia. And all of a sudden, there's an emergency. She vomits, and it's a bad situation. And that vomit, unfortunately, gets into her lungs and causes severe brain damage. And she has brain damage for the rest of her life. So clearly a very, very sad situation. I've had experience with cases like this. So the question is it a case or it's not a case? And so in this particular situation, it's likely going to be a case. Here's why. When a patient is going in for surgery, it's very important that they be told that they are not supposed to eat. And in this situation, she wasn't told, and she had dinner. And even if a patient is told that they shouldn't eat, it's the responsibility of the anesthesiologist to make sure they ask the patient, have they eaten within a certain amount of time before surgery? And in this particular situation, what I said in the facts was that the anesthesiologist failed to ask her whether she had eaten. And so when the anesthesiology procedures were done, she had a full stomach. And unfortunately, she vomited, and it was a very catastrophic and bad situation. So in this particular case, it would be something that we would investigate. Remember, every case is different, so I can't make any guarantees, and past success is not indicative of any future results. But in this particular set of facts, I would tell you that this would be a case. Now, this would be different if this was an emergency surgery where it had to be done to save the life of the patient. That would be a whole nother situation, but it's not this case. So it's a sad set of facts, but I've had situations like this, and I thought it would be a helpful video to let you know in this particular situation whether it would be a case or not a case. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button so that you can take advantage of all of my future videos. It really helps me out a lot too. Again, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you again on a future video and on another episode of Case or No Case. Thanks for watching.